Viewers, welcome to the Learners Nursing classes. Today I'm going to take multiple choice question based on foundation of nursing और ये जो सारे ही क्वेश्चन हैं ये प्रीवियस एग्जाम्स में आए हैं और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं. सो लेट अस नॉट डिले एंड स्टार्ट. During arterial blood gas analysis, blood is collected from, see, arterial blood gas analysis, the blood is collected from artery, vein, capillary. It can be taken from any side. See, in ABG analysis, the blood is always taken from the artery. What is mandatory before glucose tolerance test? Nil by mouth 8 to 10 hours prior to test. Rich carbohydrate diet from 2 to 3 days before test. Stop giving medication. No need to change anything. See, the answer is rich carbohydrate diet from 2 to 3 days before test. And we also, these days in the laboratory, we also give 100 grams of glucose before each test. Intradermal injection is given at, here they are asking the angle. In what angle? What should be the angle between the skin and the needle? So, intradermal injection is given at 15 degree angle, 30 degree angle, 45 degree angle and 90 degree angle. See, the answer is 15 degree angle. एंडोस्कोपिक कैथेटर्स आर स्टरलाइज्ड बाय, सी जो भी एंडोस्कोप्स होते हैं या लेप्रोस्कोपिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं, जो स्कोप्स जो मुड़ भी जाते हैं आगे से, सर एंडोस्कोपिक स्कोप्स आर मैलिएबल स्कोप्स, दे हैव फुल फिजिबिलिटी ऑफ वेरी मोबाइल. So, इसको how do we autoclave or sterilize them? How do we sterilize them? Options are autoclaving, hot air oven, 2% glutaraldehyde, boiling. The answer is 2% glutaraldehyde, which is a chemical method of sterilization. If air bubble appear during chest drainage, then it means it shows air leak, it shows water leak, it shows normal condition, no need to change anything. See, if the air bubbles are appearing during the chest drainage, that means there is an air leak. Concentration of KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate solution, is used for oral hygiene is 1:1000, 1:5000, 1:100 and 1:10,000. See, the answer is 1:5000. Ringer lactate is a hypertonic solution, hypotonic solution, isotonic solution, none of these. See, the answer is isotonic solution. Amount of medicine can be injected into gluteal muscle is, amount of medicine में ml पूछा जा रहा है. Option A, up to 2 ml, then up to 5 ml, up to 10 ml or up to 7 ml. See, the answer is up to 5 ml can be given intramuscular in the gluteal muscle. शार्प इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स नॉट टू बी स्टरलाइज्ड बाई, सी कई बार क्या होता है हम लोग पढ़ते हैं शार्प इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू बी स्टरलाइज, तो हम उसमें क्या कर देते हैं, हम ऐसे लिख देते हैं एंटीसेप्टिक सोल्यूशन नॉट टू बी स्टरलाइज्ड बाय द मेथड ऑफ, ऑप्शंस आर ऑटोक्लेविंग, बॉइलिंग, हॉट एयर ओवन, एंटीसेप्टिक सोल्यूशन. सी शार्प इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर नेवर स्टरलाइज्ड बाय द मेथड ऑफ बॉइलिंग बिकॉज उनकी शार्पनेस चली जाती है. फॉर नेजोगैस्ट्रिक इंट्यूबेशन, length of the nasogastric tube should be measured from option A, nose to the sternum, nose to the umbilicus, nose to the tragus of the ear plus nose to the sternum, and nose to the tragus plus nose to the umbilicus. See, whenever we do the measurement of the nasogastric tube, we do from the nose to the tragus of the ear plus to the sternum. And इसमें if you see, I'll tell you, sternum जब आप बोलते हो तो जिफी sternum की बात हो रही है. So, when you measure the length from the nose to the tragus and nose to the sternum, that means that length of the tube will go into the stomach, that much. While giving enema, patient complains of abdominal cramps. Nurse should stop giving enema, continue giving enema, slow the rate of enema, administer analgesics. So, here what a nurse is supposed to perform, she is actually supposed to stop giving the enema. While giving enema, the enema can should be, what should be the height of the enema can? 6 inches, 9 inches, 12 inches, 18 inches. Here the answer is 18 inches. But these days we are having disposable enema, Proctolus and packets of enema. So we are giving it. But we should know that the enema can height should be 18 inches above the patient. इन फॉलोइंग विच इज़ कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड फॉर ओरल टेम्परेचर. मुंह में थर्मामीटर रखकर आजकल हम थर्मामीटर कौन कौन से केसेस में नहीं लेते. खैर आजकल तो वी आर यूजिंग गन एंड अदर थर्मामीटर्स एंड वी डोंट पुट एनी ओरल टेम्परेचर. वी डोंट टेक until unless these are the sophisticated electromedical equipments with the oral probe or the nasal probe or the rectal probe. But then children below 10 years of age, psychiatric patient, surgery of the mouth and all above. So here the answer is all above. Enema is given in which position? Lithotomy position, side lying position, supine position or a knee chest position. See, enema is always given in a side lying position. Knee chest position is also known as Fowler's position, lithotomy position, genopectoral position, left lateral position. So see, we should always remember the knee chest. ये बहुत important question है. Knee chest हमेशा जो position है इसका एक और नाम है, that is genopectoral position. The answer is genopectoral position. Abbreviation SOS means, SOS का क्या मतलब है? Give immediately, give whenever necessary, at bedtime, give twice daily. See, SOS means whenever it is necessary. Whenever it is necessary, give the medication. Purgative enema is given in to provide nutrition, to destroy helminthes, to improve peristalsis, and to provide anesthesia. See, the purgative anemia is given to improve the peristalsis. For effective sterilization, temperature is in an autoclave should be, देखो there are temperatures set in autoclave machine and the time and the pressure. There are the three variables. Now in this the question is asked, what is the temperature? 100 degree, 121 degree, 110 degree or 90 degree. See, it is 121 degree Celsius. देन कम्स टर्म एनोरेक्सिया. मीन्स एनोरेक्सिया वर्ड का क्या मीनिंग होता है? इंक्रीज इन द एपेटाइट मतलब ज़्यादा भूख लगना, डिक्रीज इन द एपेटाइट मतलब कम भूख लगना, एंड डिफिकल्टी इन स्वेलोइंग मतलब निगलने में दिक्कत, एंड डिफिकल्टी इन चूइंग मतलब चबाने में दिक्कत. तो हेयर द एनोरेक्सिया वर्ड मीन्स डिक्रीज इन द एपेटाइट. नाउ प्रेजेंस ऑफ ब्लड इन द स्टूल इज नोन एज लोकिया, मेलिना, हेमेटेमेसिस, हीमोप्टिसिस. वेरी वेरी इजी. इट मीन्स मेलिना. सी हेयर द स्पेलिंग विल बी melina. So the presence of lochia means whitish discharge from the vagina. Melina means stool having blood. Hematemesis means blood in the vomiters, and hemoptysis means blood in the cuff. Normal respiration rate in neonate is options 40 to 60 breaths per minute, 80 to 160 breaths per minute, 16 to 20 breaths per minute, and 20 to 30 breaths per minute. So answer is 40 to 60 breaths per minute. In following which solution is used for cleaning of thermometer? इन नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शंस में कौन सा वाला होगा? अल्कोहल, टैप वाटर, बॉइल्ड water or ORS. See, the cleaning of thermometer will be done by alcohol, 70% alcohol. Anorexia means again the same question in a different perspective. Loss of appetite, absence of respiration, loss of sensation, absence of pulse. So here it means it is loss of appetite or decreased appetite. The answer is loss of appetite. What is the full form of CPR? Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, cardiopulmonary relapse, cardiopulmonary restriction, and absence of pulse. CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Intraosseous injection is given in intraosseous. Intra matlab under, osseous always is used for bone. So intraosseous means injection is given in the vein, bone marrow, spinal cavity or muscle. See, answer is bone marrow. To maintain a normal breathing pattern, which position is beneficial? नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न मेंटेन करने के लिए सिम्स पोजीशन, नी चेस्ट पोजीशन, और फाउलर्स पोजीशन और द डॉर्सल पोजीशन. सो वेन एवर पेशेंट इज हैविंग एनी ब्रीदिंग डिफिकल्टी, वी गिव द पेशेंट फाउलर्स पोजीशन. वी ऑल्सो गिव दिस पोजीशन आफ्टर GA. Fowler's position is a position in which we raise the head end by 45 degree and the patient is lying like that, but it helps in the breathing of the patient. Cyanosis is caused in case of lack of water, lack of blood, lack of oxygen and lack of glucose. See, cyanosis is due to lack of oxygen. An informed consent is obtained from a preoperative patient to prevent option A complication, B infection, C any fall, D, any legal implication. See, answer is any legal implication, option D. Tonicity of ringer lactate solution is, what is the tone? That is isotonic, normotonic, hypotonic, hypertonic. See, the ringer lactate is isotonic. Wound dressing is done by using septic technique, medical asepsis, surgical asepsis, medical surgical asepsis. See, answer is wound dressing is always done with the help of the surgical asepsis. To give Fowler's position to a patient, the head end of the bed is raised to 35 degree, 15 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree. Here the answer is 45 degree angle. While lifting a patient, a nurse bends on her hips and back, hips and knees, back and knees, only the back. See, here the answer is hips and knees, and that is called as use of body mechanics. Nursing intervention designed to decrease the risk of patient with indwelling catheter includes cleanse around meatus, empty catheter drainage bag at least daily, change the catheter tubing and bag every 48 hours, maintain intake output of 1500 ml, 1200 to 1500 ml every day. The nursing intervention that is designed कि नर्सिंग प्रोसीजर जो डिज़ाइन किया गया है टू रिड्यूस द रिस्क ऑफ इनड्वेलिंग कैथीटर, दैट इज यूरिनरी ट्रैक इन्फेक्शन का कैथीटर को इन्फेक्शन को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए, तो दैट इज क्लेंस अराउंड द मियाटस, मतलब कि पेरिनियल केयर वे आर सपोज टू गिव टू द पेशेंट. The tube feeding should be delayed if the amount of gastric aspirate or a content residual exceeds more than, options are 20 ml, 25 ml, 30 ml, 50 ml. See, here the answer is if the aspirate is more than 50 ml, we have to hold the feed. We are supposed to hold the feed, and then we are supposed to throw the residual. We are supposed to push the residual feed back. Before administration of the medicine to a patient, a nurse checks the prescription how many times? 2 times, 3 times, 1 time, 4 times. A nurse practitioner or a nurse is supposed to check 3 times. Insulin is injected into which space? Intradermal, subcutaneous, intrathecal, intramuscular. See, subcutaneous injection, insulin is a subcutaneous injection which is given in the subcutaneous space. While pouring the liquid medicine from a bottle into an ounce glass to measure, how do we do that? Against the hand, right-handed, left-sided, any side. See, we are supposed to load it against the hand. 7.5 milligram of morphine sulfate IM starts from an ampule of 10 milligram is to be administered. How many ml of this drug to be administered is correct dose? See, 7.5 milligram of morphine sulfate, if it is dissolved from an ampule of 10 milligram is to be administered, then how much of the ml will be drug diluted? Drug will be diluted. Options are 0.5 ml, 0.75 ml, 0.85 ml, 1.5 ml. Here the answer is 0.75 ml. अगर 10 मिलीग्राम का ड्रग है और आपने उसमें पेशेंट को 1 ml मॉर्फिन इज 10 milligram, then you will give 0.75 ml to the patient. Infusion of 1000 ml of normal saline over 12 hours requires how many drops per minute when the drop factor is drop per minute? See, 15 drops per minute, 17 drops per minute, 21 drops per minute, 23 drops per minute. If you calculate, it will come around 21 drops per minute, and the answer is 21 drops. Above what body temperature the term hyperpyrexia is used? 101 degree Fahrenheit, 103 degree Fahrenheit, 105 degree Fahrenheit, 107 degree Fahrenheit. Here the answer is 105 degree Fahrenheit. While using blood pressure in upper arm, the chest piece of the stethoscope is placed over which of the following arteries? Axillary, brachial, radial, ulnar. Answer is the brachial artery. The Lund and the Browder chart is used for which of the following condition? Options: head injury, acute abdomen, burns, bone injury. Answer is burns. Method of administration of a drug by a topical friction over skin is called as. The options are instillation, inaction, insertion, insufflation. Here the answer of topical application by the friction is called as inaction. The process of assessing patient who came to emergency department and determining the management priority is called as mirage, lavage, triage, collage. See, the answer is, it is called as triage. I would like to tell you what is the meaning of mirage. Mirage is a meaning like illusion create करना. लवाज का मतलब होता है वॉश देना. ट्रायाज का मतलब होता है जब आप किसी पेशेंट को या किसी कैजुअलिटी को अटेंड करते हो और इनिशियल एग्जामिनेशन करते हो और उसको नीडेड ट्रीट मतलब रिकमेंडेड ट्रांसफ़र करते हो, मतलब क्या डिपार्टमेंट है, क्या चाहिए, रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, अल्ट्रासाउंड, ब्लड टेस्ट एट्सेट्रा. और कोलाज तो आपको पता ही, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइक आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट. When a drug is to be given at bedtime, which of the following code instruction is used? See, what code instruction we use? AC, HS, OD, SOS. We use HS. Which of the following correct formula is correct for the conversion of centigrade into Fahrenheit temperature? Fahrenheit is equal to A, B, C, D option. You see bracket Celsius, bracket 9/5, bracket close, plus 32. तो same way there are so many formulas, we have to decide which one is the correct formula और इसको आपको रट लेना है. तो formula is Fahrenheit is equal to bracket start centigrade bracket start 9/5 bracket close and bracket close plus 32 is the exact formula for the conversion. There are how many deciliters in 1 liter? Options are 1, 10, 100, 1000. Answer is 10. How many deciliters in 1 liter? There are 10 deciliters in 1 liter. In which of the following position patient is not lying down? Trendelenburg position, Sims position, Fowler's position and the Rose position. The position is Fowler's position in which the patient is not lying down. Hospice is the treatment concept for terminally ill cancer patients, cardiac patients, psychiatric patients, all above. See, the answer is hospice is the terminally ill cancer patients. Florence Nightingale was born in which country? Florence Nightingale was born in England, Germany, Italy, France. The Florence Nightingale was born in Italy. Thank you so much, viewers. Like, subscribe and share.